This week's marketing tip winner of the week is Fit For You Meal Prep. Thank you for following us on Instagram, and I have had the privilege of ordering from them plenty of times. They have always been on time, reliable, healthy dishes, affordable as well. I mean, you guys should definitely give them a try, and they do offer 20% discount for first-time customers. All right, let's jump right into it. Because they're following us on Instagram, they are the lucky marketing tip winner of the week, and I took some time and research to give them some marketing tips that they can use right away to capture more customers from Google. So the first thing that I do with all my clients when I want to do some research is that I manipulate Google so they're thinking that I'm searching from their approximate business location. And I chose Anaheim because that's the biggest city closest to their Norco location in California. So what I noticed is that people are not running ads for search terms such as best meal prep services, meal prep delivery near me, at least not in Anaheim at the time that I was searching. So this creates a great opportunity for Fit For You Meal Prep to start doing local ads. Specifically, I would start with 3 cities: Anaheim, Orange, and Santa Ana. I would create 3 separate campaigns for each cities, and I would start with the following keywords. Best meal prep service. I chose that because, as you can see on Uber Suggest, the monthly search is 6,600. So that's a high monthly search that people are searching for that keyword. So I recommend choosing that keyword and bidding on it for $2 and creating a max manual cost per click of $2. So basically that means you don't want to pay Google more than $2. You always want to start this way to collect data and see what it takes for you to be on top for that keyword in Anaheim. And after a week or two, you might see that to be on top of page with that keyword, it might only cost you $1. So that after a couple of weeks, you can adjust. But you might see that to be on top, it's $6. Then you adjust accordingly so you can be on top. Because remember, if you want to get immediate business, you got to be top 3. You have to be on top of Google, top 3 locations to be able to capture that new customer that's looking for you on Google. All right, so the tip is use location extension. Again, location extension means that when somebody's searching, for example, in Anaheim for meal prep delivery service, your Google business with your ratings will show up as an ad inside the local search results. This is huge because right away, your 5-star rating, I saw that you guys have a 5-star rating and you have over 50 reviews, which is great. That will show up, and that right away means social proof, right? People are going to see, okay, you have good ratings and you have plenty of reviews, and they will give you a shot because of that reason. And that's what's great about location extension. A lot of people don't know about this. A lot of marketers are not using this. It's a free add-on to your Google Ads that you can just click with one click to be able to use this option. So keep that in mind. And again, the 3 keywords that I would focus on bidding for your business for those 3 cities, Anaheim, Orange, and Santa Ana, are best meal prep service, meal prep delivery near me, and meal prep delivery. I definitely would choose those keywords because I see a great opportunity with them. And then the next thing that I want to talk about is your budget. So you want to create 3 separate campaigns for each city, like I said, and set your budget for $15 for each campaign per day, and your max manual cost per click at $2 for all the keywords that you choose. That way, you are in control of your budget. You're not letting Google decide how much you should pay. You never want to do that, because Google really doesn't know until it starts collecting some data from the area that you are bidding, because each area is different depending on the saturation of the market, how many people are running ads during the time and location you are running at, going for the same keywords you're going for. And remember to always put your keywords in brackets. So what bracket does, it means that it's exact match. It won't let you show up for any other words other than what you mentioned inside the bracket. So keep that in mind as well. Let's see, what else did I want to cover for Fit For You meal prep? Okay, here's a pro tip. To get a high CTR, what does CTR mean? It means click-through rate. Basically what that means is anytime your ads shows up, like let's say there's three different ads show up, and people click on your ad instead of your competitors, your click-through rate goes up. And when your click-through rate goes up, you pay less per click. So you can essentially pay $2 per click and show up on top of your competitor, which is paying $15 a click because they didn't create a correct ad. So what does that mean, a correct ad? It means you want to make sure that in the headline of your ads, you're mentioning the keywords that you're bidding for. That helps with CTR. And another thing that helps with your click-through rate is the landing page you're taking on. If you're talking about best meal prep delivery in Anaheim and your landing page has that somewhere and the URL has those words in it, your CTR will go up and you get cheaper clicks. So keep that in mind. That's a little pro tip, and it takes a little bit more because you have to create a new page inside your website with that URL and with the words in the title and meta description. So look that up on YouTube if you don't understand what I mean. So another pro tip would be adding something unique to capture the attention of your potential client. So it's not generic like everybody else with their headlines, saying maybe we are the best meal prep. You don't want to say what everybody else is saying. You want to be different. How can you capture their attention? Maybe you can say something like finger licking dishes or explosion in your mouth. Something different that when people read it, they're like, wow, this company is different. That word will capture their attention. So keep that in mind, and that again will help with your CTR. And if you're watching and if you are with Fit For You Meal Prep Company, please comment and let me know if you have any questions, or DM me and I can help you further with any questions that you might have regarding this marketing tip of the week. Thank you for watching. Now go and build the business that you love.